Oh, Diana. So I cannot say yes or no right now. But day, and we just. Good morning. Well, good afternoon, I guess. It's 1:02 p.m. This weekend, or I guess the past 2 days, have been the solo weekend, I guess. Hannah and Evan went home for the weekend. Abby's working all day today, and it's just me by myself. Typically, I'm all for it. However, I like knowing that there's the option of people to hang out with if I want to. And this weekend, everyone, and when I say everyone, I mean everyone, decided to go home. So even though I don't have money to be spending here, I am at Goodwill because it's raining and there's no better time to thrift than when it's raining. So let's see if we actually find anything. I've been sitting here reading, completely ignoring all responsibilities that I have today. Today's plan was to spend the morning clean my bathroom, clean my room, like the floor, and then the afternoon going to a coffee shop and like homework things. However, it's been raining all day and I've had zero motivation, and so I have gone out to go thrifting and only got one thing, a little slip dress from Poppin' Granny's that is from Aritzia for $2, and it's red. And now it is currently 5 p.m. and I still have to clean my bathroom and do my homework. I just ate lunch like an hour and a half ago, so I will not be eating dinner for a little bit. And maybe I can get ahead on the homework that's due tomorrow, but honestly, it's raining. It's the perfect reading atmosphere. I've got the lamps on, the light on, the music playing, and the sound of the rain. So why would I want to get up? Part of being an adult is doing the things that you don't want to do because you have to. So let's go clean the bathroom. In case you couldn't tell what team we're repping tonight, it's Super Bowl Sunday, and I think we're gonna have a super chill night. I think Caroline and Karis are coming over, and then it'll just be the roommates hanging out with some snacks, maybe. For now, I'm making my coffee in my little cup that Caroline made, and then I have homework that I really should have done yesterday. Last night, I went to bed at a solid 10 p.m. when my normal bedtime is like 11:30 because I was bored. I was in bed by like 9:15. Then I was talking to my family and then reading and went to bed so early. I feel very well rested. Thank you, Jesus. Now, I should have done this homework yesterday, so I'd be chilling today. But honestly, my reasoning was that I needed something to do today in the meantime. And here we are. So it's 2:49. I don't know what time the game starts. I'm gonna say 6. But I've got an exam to take. Should be super easy. And then a discussion board. And then maybe get ahead on some reading stuff for a paper. Okay? Go team. Chicken. Caroline has arrived. So far we're alone because Evan and Hannah went to Publix like an hour ago. Where'd they go? I don't know. And kickoff is about to happen. Woo! Oh, there they are. They're here. Hello. All right, we're putting our predictions in now. I think Usher's gonna win.
Usher. Okay, here's what I think. I'm giving you an actual answer because I do actually watch football.
Okay.
Basically, I think that Taylor Swift brings the magic. Here's the thing. I think the Chiefs will take an earlier lead. Mm-hmm. But Brock Purdy is a second half quarterback, and I truly believe that he will bring the 49ers through it. And I'm in love with him. So Brock Purdy, if you see this, hit me up. My number is 931-446-7822.
And in case you missed it, you can either go back to 10 seconds or you can go back to my other video.
Where I also asked any hot men to hit me up because I am lonely.
I think the Chiefs are gonna win.
Boo.
Because I think they are. And they're superior. So that's why.
We'll keep you updated as the night goes on. And we'll let you know.
Take 2 from outside 50 today. This is half that distance. From 27 yards, he makes it.
It's good.
It's overtime now. We're just waiting. I sleeping. Just waiting for it to be done. It's 10:30 and it's past all of our bedtime.
Not mine.
Not Hannah. Hannah's a night owl.
Kansas City's turn, and again,
Stays up till the wee hours in the morning, if you will.
Oh, he's got it so bad.
No.
I'm just more scared for everybody. So I'm like, I don't like.
Chiefs win.
Boom. You're done.
Take this on Just Dance. Perfect.
say no.